Hi there, kindergarten friends. Today we're doing lowercase r on page 51. Make sure you're sitting bottom to bottom, back to back, and you have a proper pencil grip before you begin. Okay, for lowercase r, you'll notice that all of the letters are staying under the dotted line. Okay, so they are short letters. They do not touch the tall blue line. They go from dotted line to red. So we want to make sure we're keeping all of our lowercase r's under that dotted line. Right, this one has one stroke. You're going to start at the green dot, pull down straight. You're going to go straight back up the line you just drew and curve right. Okay, so we're not lifting our pencil while making the lowercase r. It has one stroke. Pull down straight, push up, curve right. 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 You want to make sure that when you're doing the push-up move that you're basically tracing over the same line you drew. You don't want it to look like this. Okay, that's not pushing back up the same line. Okay, that's not okay. We don't want the r to look like that. Pull down straight, go straight back up and touch the dotted line with the top of the r. Pull down straight, straight back up that line, touch the dotted line, and curve it over. Make sure that you're not curving over too much, because now, what letter am I starting to look like? I'm starting to look like the letter N. I don't want to go down that far. I want to make sure that my R stops about halfway through like that. You are going to practice on your own right here. Remember, you only have to draw one where there's a green dot. Then, at the picture, it says circle the one rooster that matches this one. There's a line dividing here, so you want to find the one rooster that matches this one, and you're going to circle it. Okay? At the bottom, there are 3 black lines, all of which need a lowercase r. And then you're also going to trace the rest of the letters. Okay, some friends are turning in work where they aren't tracing. Don't forget to go back and trace the rest of the letters. That way we can read the word. Okay, when you're finished, go back and circle the R that you thought was the best, that you did by yourself. Don't circle one of these tracing ones. That's cheating. You've got to trace those. I want you to choose one that you had to do all by yourself. And then put an X on the one that you think maybe next time you could do a better job with. You're going to take a picture, post it to your seesaw when you're finished. Have fun!